Ooh. You guys like my Bob Barker mic? I am doing this on my cell phone so I can edit it on my cell phone. So, if you guys are looking into an iPhone 12, this is what a YouTube video would look like if you did an entire YouTube video on your iPhone. Anyway, you like my Price is Right rig? I was pretty pleased with when I came up with this. I need to hold it down here. Come on down. Yeah. Okay. So, welcome back. This is Lady Motobang update. Newsflash. Newsflash. It's been super busy. So, I picked up a motorcycle, a complete basket case recently, and that was in my pickup truck for probably a month before I took it out. I'll give you guys a quick tour of that absolute nightmare that I bought, but I think I'll really enjoy building something from the frame up. I'm going to flip this bike. All I really need to do is paint the frame and figure out why I didn't. I've only got one exhaust pipe. That was my bad. Flapping the valves for the CL72 is going super slowly. You can see right here. And I really wish I didn't have to film all of it. I've got 2 engines on my bench. All right, so this happened. Still working on lapping the valves. That's going as slowly as it always does. Yeah, there's a little sneak peek on what I'm working with there. Absolute chaos on my workbench. So here's my basket case that I bought. I don't know about the seat. It's definitely been recovered. Here is the frame. He's got it all primed up. This was a winter project for somebody who was moving. Super nice guy. He's doesn't have a garage where he's moving, so he needed to get rid of this, but he'd already primed the frame a little bit. Super cool dude that paints airplanes. And I got the front and back tires over here. That is the box full of parts. Carbs are in this bag. One exhaust pipe. Don't know why I didn't notice at the time. I only had one exhaust pipe. We all know this is a no-no. I know it's a no-no to buy a basket case. And here's this extremely heavy engine that I had to get a man to lift for me. So I'm going to need someone else to help me when it comes time to put that in the frame without completely messing up my paint job. But yeah, this is a CB360 number, and I'm still not certain on what the year is. This will be the most problematic part. Is going to be for me personally getting this engine back in the frame. The CL engine is manageable to me. It's barely manageable when I have to pick it up. I've picked it up several times while I've owned it, so it's quite difficult and dangerous, but I can do it. This, however, is not going to happen on my own. I will get somebody to help me do that. One more close up of the CL72. So, if you guys are interested in this, I have a separate series I'm doing on this. If you want to see more of my builds, I've got one whole other build, a complete build on my YouTube on a playlist, the CB175 playlist, if you want to go see me tinker around on that. But this has got its own playlist as well. And then I'll have some kind of cool, I'll do something cool with this. I might do a timed assembly build, frame up build, and see how long it takes me to get this together and running. I love these tanks though. These are probably my favorite tanks that Honda has. I just love I just love them. Yeah. That's actually a really bad crease in there. I've been super busy and I can't hardly get out here. This is the day after Christmas. I'm home and it's not super cold here in Tennessee. It's 64 degrees in the shop right now. Anyway, so winter projects, get the CL running. I'm going to throw this new motorcycle that I got. It's a early 70s. I'm not sure. I think it's a 74 CL360. Hopefully that goes pretty well. It's got a ding in the tank and I'm going to have to try to get that out. But yeah, that's what I've got going on. Instead of buying motorcycle stuff, I got something new on there. New tattoo, and I got a haircut and a tattoo. I've had a lot going on. So thanks for your continued support. I just realized also today that I've been getting a lot of YouTube comments, and I haven't realized that I was getting new YouTube comments. So I'm actually going to start replying to a bunch of you guys tonight. Super appreciate the support. Except for the one guy that told me I was ugly. I just want you to know, sir, if you're back, I've cried myself to sleep every night since you've left that comment. But I shall overcome and I will persevere. It's so hard being hideous. Thank you for all your support. I appreciate it. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. That would be really cool if that would happen sometime this year. I've had this YouTube channel a year and a half now, and I really appreciate all the people that have started following me. I will provide an update, its own video on the CL72. I'm going to do some pretty cool stuff to this. I just have to get the engine working. Well, it was technically it was working. Not well. Okay. Flap the valves, helm the cylinders, deck the head, throw that back in, make sure my compression's good. If it's not, then I will figure something out. My CL360 engine should be fine, according to the guy I bought it off of from Facebook Marketplace, but he was a super cool dude, and I believe him. Okay, so the chaos. It's just all motorcycles and good vibes in here. And it looks pretty disorganized, because it is. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. That'd be dope. My Patreon is also a thing, and this stuff costs money, so it'd be cool to have more of that. Also, you can buy a sticker. My sticker sales have been killing it lately, so I might have to order some more. So before I run out, go over and order a sticker. Follow me on my Instagram. It's just Lady Motobang on Instagram. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, and you know what that means. More money, maybe, for motorcycle stuff. If you like me, then you'll do it. Okay? Peace out.